So good evening everyone. वैसे response once again you are welcome. I mean this one day only आज के Subs Academy learning channel with my friends today one more time I am here in front of you all to explain you something about the grade 11 chapter number 1 of the chemistry, especially the chapter number 1 of the physical chemistry of the grade 11, that is some basic concepts of the chemistry or the mole concept. Today we have the something. Today we will move ahead to the mole concept, and today's topic is something related to atom and the atomic mass. Basically, today's topic name is the relative atomic mass. Shortly, it is denoted as RAM. Now, what is the meaning of the relative atomic mass? We have the information that what is the atomic mass, but today we have to know something about the relative atomic mass. First of all, I would like to clarify the meaning of the relative. Basically, in the normally we use the relative word for the different thing, but in the terms of chemistry and in the chemistry, the relative word used for the comparison. Basically, the relative word simply means that comparing any of the substance with respect to any of the standard or the reference substance. Now, I would like to explain it with the example and with the main topic, that is atomic mass. Basically, we all have the information about the atomic masses. So relative atomic mass simply means, for example, first of all, let's move ahead to the example like the carbon. The relative atomic mass of the carbon is the 12. Now let's move ahead to the main formula of the main formula of our topic, and the main thing, what's the meaning of the relative atomic mass. First of all, I would like to clarify the definition of it. Basically, the relative atomic mass is defined that how many times the mass of an atom is heavier than the carbon 12 atom, means the 1/12 of the carbon 12 atom. Now, what is the meaning of it? Basically, first of all, let's move ahead to the formula of it. Relative atomic mass is equals to the mass of any of the atom of any element upon, we will divide it with the 1/12 mass of the carbon 12 atom. Now I would like to tell you that why are we using the carbon 12 atom? They are the they are the isotopes of the carbon, that is the carbon 12. So why are we using the carbon 12 atom? They are the oxygen, there is the several kinds of elements, but why are we stuck between the carbon? Basically, there are the two major reasons. There are the many reasons, but we have to focus on the major two reasons. First one is all about the stability. First one is the simple thing that carbon is considered as the most stable element, and the atom of the carbon is considered as the most stable atoms. Now the second reason is all about the abundance. In the large amount the carbon 12 is found. That's why the scientists before the many years before the BCs, they have taken the carbon 12 for the relative atomic mass. We can calculate it very simply. Now let's move ahead to the next topic, that is all about the average atomic mass. Actually, whenever we write about the atomic mass of the chlorine, we write it as the 35.5. Why do we not write it as a 34? Because if we will double the atomic number of the chlorine, that is 17, that will be 34. But why do we take it as a 35.5? Similar thing will be also there with the sodium. The atomic number of the sodium is the 11. So if we will calculate the atomic mass, so on the time we take it as a 23. Why do we not take it 22? Because of the average atomic mass that can be calculated as the formula of the relative atomic mass is simply the multiplication of the isotope with its abundance in the addition of the second isotope with its multiplication with its abundance percentage divided by the 100. So by this we can calculate the average atomic mass. For an example about the chlorine, there are the two major isotopes of the chlorine. First one is the 35, the second one is the 37. Now the percentage abundance of the chlorine 35 is the 75, and the 37 is the 24. So whenever we will calculate it and whenever we will divide it, the answer will be 35.5. That is the means round off. On the time we do the round off, the actual answer is the 30.547 u, but we do the round of it and we take it as a 35.5. And similar thing is also there with the sodium. In the next class, we will move ahead to the actual topic of this chapter, that is a mole, with the definition, with the calculation of the mole. So this is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.